Fife is renowned for its long history of coal mining, with several deep level mines peppering the area. As technology developed, the deep coal seams were extracted using open mining techniques, gouging huge craters out of the landscape. This mine, St. Ninians, was operating right into the 21st century and swallowed up the remains of the village Lasoddi. A young Sean Connery was said to be a regular visitor to the village after his grandparents retired there in the 1930s. Once the machinery fell silent, thoughts turned to how best deal with the wounds that decades of extraction had done to this very visible hillside beside the M90, one of the country's busiest routes north. Local developers approached American artist and cultural theorist Charles Jencks, who has a history of numerous landscape artwork across Scotland. In this, arguably the most ambitious project, the landforms, lochs and boulders were to represent a journey around the 4 continents. The shape of Scotland was to be surrounded by geometric mounds representing each region, most influenced by the immigration of Scots. The scale of what was planned becomes immediately apparent as you scale the hillside and peer into the yawning chasm in the landscape. The 930-acre site is roughly the size of more than 700 football pitches, making it far the largest piece of artwork in Scotland. Ultimately, like many grand plans, the project was forced to scale back due to funding problems. The owner, Scottish Coal, was bankrupt in 2013 and the project was put indefinitely on hold. What remains is rather a bleak and desolate landscape, given an eerie post-industrial feel. The remains of an ambitious landscaping effort can still be clearly seen under the wild grassland. The imposing Europe mound was well defined, with 3 giant barbed mounds and a stone map of the continent. The North America mound can also be scaled, where 2 less defined dimples can be found at the top.